Razer recently brought their new mouse in the Viper series lineup, the Viper V3 HyperSpeed, featuring quite impressive enhancement. On the other hand, there's logitech-gprox Superlight, which is still standing strong in its position despite all these years. So, is the new Viper V3 HyperSpeed capable of beating the OG, gprox Superlight? Let's find out.
Are you struggling to explain your idea? Your audience is not getting what you're trying to say. An animated explainer video is a perfect solution for you. Explainer video simplifies any complex ideas through engaging animations, transitions, voiceovers, and meaningful scripts, which all together create a fun experience for any viewer. And here comes 10 Studio, a team of skilled professionals dedicated to creating engaging explainer videos. With over thousands completed projects, we have the expertise to create explainer videos that break down your message and connect with your audience. Get in touch with 10 Studio today.
Let's talk design first. The Razer Viper V3 HyperSpeed right off the bat looks like a slick piece of tech for gaming. It has a soft touch finish that feels really smooth. This is the kind of mouse that you'd want to pet while waiting for your game to load. It's 5 inches long, 2.51 inches wide, and 1.57 inches high. Not too big, not too small, just right. Now, it's worth noting that the Viper V3 doesn't go crazy with its looks. No RGB or neon lights here, but once you hold it, you'll feel the magic. It's like the mouse equivalent of a well-tailored suit. What's more, it has that ambidextrous shape going on, so whether you're righty or lefty, you're in luck. Plus, the mouse also has 6 programmable buttons, including 2 thumb buttons on the left side, so you can customize it to dance to your gaming tune. Now let's talk about that sensor. It packs a 30K optical sensor and a 4000 Hz polling rate. What does that mean for your gaming experience? Well, it means precision and speed. Your headshots are going to be on point and those rapid movements will be buttery smooth. Oh, and here's the kicker. It runs on a single AA battery for a whopping 280 hours. Yep, you heard that right. You can probably cross buying batteries off your to-do list for the next couple of months. It's grippier than it looks too, thanks to those 100% PTFE feet. Now let's swing over to the other corner of the ring. If you're into lightweight, then logitech-gprox Superlight is your jam. It's like holding a cloud in your hand, weighing in at less than 63 grams. It's designed to fit all hand sizes and grip types comfortably. Plus, it comes in some snazzy colors, pink, red, and white, so you can game in style. The build quality is top-notch. It feels well made despite being made entirely of lightweight plastic. It's like the mouse version of a race car, thin but sturdy. And those large zero additive PTFE feet, they make gliding across your mouse pad feel really satisfying. In the buttons department, you've got 5 of them, including 2 side buttons on the left. It's versatile enough for all your gaming needs. The size? It's 5 inches long, 2.5 inches wide, and 1.6 inches high, so it's a good fit for most hands. The sensor here is 25,600 dpi and it boasts a 1000 Hz polling rate. That's a recipe for pinpoint accuracy and lightning-fast response times. When it comes to performance, both of these mice have their strength. The Razer Viper V3 HyperSpeed's 30K optical sensor and 4000 Hz polling rate make it a beast in terms of accuracy and responsiveness. If you're into fast-paced games where split-second decisions matter, this mouse has your back. But the real game changer is that battery life. 280 hours on a single AA battery? It's a really good deal. Now, over on the Logitech side, the gprox Superlight doesn't pull any punches either. That 25,600 dpi sensor is no joke, and the 1000 Hz polling rate means it's as snappy as it can get being a top-tier gaming mouse. It's the kind of precision that competitive gamers crave. However, here's where it falls short compared to the Razer, the battery life. It's not terrible by any means, but you'll be changing it more often than the Viper V3. So if you're a long gaming session kind of person, keep that in mind. In the end, here's the deal. Both the Razer Viper V3 HyperSpeed and the Logitech-gprox Superlight are incredible gaming mice. It really comes down to what you value more, affordability or top-tier performance. The Razer Viper V3 HyperSpeed is like your trusty old car that gets the job done without breaking the bank. It has a style, precision, and an attractive battery life. Plus, it won't leave your wallet crying at $69.99. If you're stepping into the world of entry to mid-level gaming or looking for a solid all-around mouse, this is it. On the other hand, the logitech-gprox Superlight is a sports car of gaming mice. It's all about performance, and it looks pretty good doing it. The ultra-lightweight design, snazzy colors, and top-tier sensor make it a favorite among competitive gamers. However, with this, it does come at a premium price tag of $129.99. So that's pretty much it between the V3 HyperSpeed and G Pro X Superlight. Catch you guys in the next video.